Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to find out the number of bricks in a wall. So here we see on the left side, there is a wall and we are going to find out the number of bricks in this wall. So we will take an example that this is in a wall with the length of, for example, this length of the wall is 15 meter. The height of the wall, for example, let's suppose it is 4 meter, and the thickness of the wall, let's suppose it is 0.20 meter. So these are the dimensions of the wall, and we are going to find out that how many number of bricks are there. So these number of bricks are unknown in this wall, and we are going to find out this number. So how to do? There is a very simple formula used to find out the number of bricks in a wall. So it is equal to the volume of the wall dividing by the volume of one brick with mortar. So I will explain this thing with the help of an example. So we are going to take this example of the wall and we are going to find out the number of the bricks. So number of bricks is equal to the volume of the wall dividing by the volume of one brick with mortar. So first of all, finding these two terms, so volume of the wall. So first we will find the volume of the wall here and then we will find the volume of the one brick. So volume of the wall, it is very simple. The volume of wall is multiplying the total dimension of the wall, length multiplied by width multiplied by the thickness. So here, length of the wall is 15 meter multiplying with the, it is height. So multiplying height is 4 meter here, multiplying with the thickness is 0.2 meter. So by multiplying this, we got 12 cubic meter. So 12 cubic meter is the volume of the wall. So first of all, we find out the volume of the wall. This is known to us. Now the second term is the volume of the one brick with mortar. Now according to the standards, according to the many standards, the length or the stretcher, this is called the stretcher in the case of the brick. This is one brick. I took just this one brick an example here to show. This is the stretcher or the length of the brick, which is mostly 190 millimeter in most of the codes or in most of the countries. It depends also on the country. Some countries produces this 220, some produces 150 millimeter. But let's suppose I'm taking it is 190 millimeter, this length, this stretcher, the width, this breadth. I'm going to take, it is known as a header, also known as header, and it is mostly 90 millimeter in most countries, and height is also 90 millimeter in most countries. But keep in mind, this is the dimensions without any mortar. But in this formula, to find the number of bricks, we have to find the volume of the one brick along with the mortar here. So by mortar, I mean here that we are also going to put some mortar because for example, these bricks, this is one brick. For example, I'm going to consider this one brick. Now this one brick has to be joined. You see here, this has to be joined with another bricks with the help of the mortar. Otherwise, it will not bond with the another bricks. So we have on each side we have a mortar. So in the similar way, we have mortar here on each side of the brick. So with the help of with this mortar, the dimension changes to 200 millimeter. We assume that it is 10 millimeter is the mortar on each brick. So it changes to 200 millimeter. The width changes to 100 millimeter, and the height changes also to 100 millimeter. So this is with the mortar. So this green is with the mortar, these green dimensions, while the red one were without any mortar. So we can find the volume of one brick with mortar. So what will be its volume? It will be equal to the 200 millimeter multiplying with the 100 millimeter multiplying with the 100 millimeter. I just multiplied this three dimension height, width into length. To find the volume of one brick with the mortar, we found out here 200,000 millimeter, cubic millimeter. Now to change this into meter, because we also have here cubic meter, so we will just divide it by 10 raised to power 9. So we got 0.002 cubic meter. So now simply we will put this value, volume of the one brick, which is this one, and the volume of the wall, which is this one. We'll put these two, this is the first one, this is the second one, into this formula, number of bricks. So we'll find the number of bricks. So number of bricks will be equal to the volume of the wall. The volume of wall is 12 cubic meter, dividing by the volume of one brick with mortar, which comes out to be 0.002 cubic meter. So now we have same unit, so unit will be cancelled. So we got here 6,000. So 6,000 number of bricks are used here in this wall, which is a length of 15 meter, which is a thickness of 0.20 meter, and which is a height of 4 meter. So this is the way how to find the number of bricks. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.